Okay, we are going to take a look at just some examples for the CD, DVD, video game poster design. Biggest thing with this project is that you are using a unique design with some imagery that you bring in. You can use lettering and be creative with your lettering. Looking at this one, you have digital here where the word digital is spelled out, but you'll notice how the letters are kind of to different perspectives, create some depth. A lot of different fillers and stuff in the background. This would be an example of a CD cover. And then looking to the next one, here is Lily Allen, another CD cover. Just kind of being creative with the font and lettering as well. You guys know how to do text effects and create different layering effects to make like a glow or something like that with the lettering. Here is just using different fonts. So we have regular type font and then a kind of a scripture handwritten type font. Again, another example of the letters that are kind of 3D. They took a picture of Lily Allen and cut her out and put her on top of the A to make it look like she was sitting on it. So again, just looking at some examples, tying in lettering with the imagery. So here, this may not be a font that you find in Photoshop or whatever editing program you have, but you can also just kind of erase parts of lettering and redraw stuff in. So this little arc coming up kind of resembles the same thing of the horses. Another example of the lettering here where they kind of cut out a picture of the background and put a glow around the outside to make the lettering stand out. You can copy and paste different things such as the parental advisory, kind of a cool little concept of the guy coming out of the Polaroid there. Making the font match with the lettering and the imagery that's put into the artwork. So this is kind of a retro in your artwork. So with this one, you are able to kind of associate the lettering with the oldish kind of 70, 80-ish type feel of the lettering itself. Showing contrast. So here the artist Jamie Jones in the background, she's in color. The background's kind of a monochromatic blue color. Another kind of creative concept with the lettering in stage lights and the light bulbs to kind of arrange them to form the word celebrity instead of just typing it out. Video game covers, you can feel free to copy and paste, like the Xbox, the platform that it's on, or PlayStation, whichever thing you want to use. You know, EA Sports here. Again, same kind of concept where the background is a contrast to the image itself, where the car is in color. You can kind of see through it and see the skiddy behind it. The word burnout and paradise are kind of cool because they're different colors. Also, the word burnout fits inside the P and the D on paradise. So kind of another little creative concept to make the lettering look different. Example of a poster. This one, the artist wanted to resemble spray paint. So they maybe used a liquefier or a smudge tool to kind of make it look like the paint was dripping down the wall for a graffiti art type font to kind of match the concept of the background. And lastical here, you know, another video game cover here, you know, Atari. Again, you can copy and paste that different stuff to let the viewer know what it is. This artist actually put the video game on here since Ghostbusters is a movie. When creating it, you know, be creative with it. Pull in different pictures and combine them together to make a scene that's interesting and make the viewer want to purchase your item. So those are examples of cover design. Make sure you read through the guidelines and you have some fun with it.